A Turkish scholar has said that a global development initiative proposed by China provides a guideline for the post-pandemic world.
Before the pandemic, there was a slowdown of the global development in general, and the pandemic accelerated global economic slowdown, and national economies have suffered more because of the pandemic measures, increasing high inflation and challenges for unemployment and others. This is a reflection of China's responsibility to pay attention for the global growth in general, and also it will be a guideline for the global development in the next stage in the post-pandemic world.
Kola Koklu added that the initiative is also conducive to achieving the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals.
The Global Development Initiative is more concrete roadmap and outline how to achieve the Sustainable Development Goals within the framework of the UN documents. In that regard, China is putting more specific agenda for its contribution for the Sustainable Development Goals.